Right now, millions of people across Africa are staring at their phones asking one single question: can this app actually make me rich? In 2026, the promise is absolutely everywhere. Earn dollars from your bedroom in Ghana. Make 50,000 naira a day passive income in Nigeria. Tap a button and make quick shillings in Kenya or rand in South Africa. Work from your phone and quit your day job. But while a very small percentage of people are quietly figuring things out, a much larger group is wasting hours every single day for almost nothing. So today, we are doing something different. We are not just listing random apps. We are ranking them from the absolute least effective to the most powerful, based on how they actually work in real life, not what social media tells you. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final category is exactly where real, sustainable long-term wealth is being built on the continent today. Quick reality check before we jump in. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not a get-rich-quick seminar. This is a realistic breakdown of how these digital systems operate and what users actually experience. Let's begin. Category 1, the attention traps, survey and microtask apps. This is by far the most popular entry point for beginners. Apps like Toloka, Ysense, and similar platforms promise easy money for completing simple digital tasks. The pitch sounds incredibly easy. Watch a few ads, answer a quick survey, complete small offers, and get paid directly to your account. But here is the frustrating reality most people discover after just a few days. You open the app, start a survey, spend 5 or 10 minutes carefully answering questions, and then suddenly the app tells you that you are disqualified. You try another one, and the exact same thing happens. You finally manage to complete a task, only to realize the payout is a fraction of a cent. Let's be entirely honest about how these platforms work in 2026. Yes, they are real businesses. Yes, they do pay out. But the demand for consumer research data from African regions is significantly lower compared to the US or Europe. That means fewer high-paying opportunities and incredibly small payouts for your time. If you spend 6 hours a day clicking ads, you will likely end up earning just enough to buy internet data and a coffee, not financial freedom. This is exactly why this category ranks at the dead bottom of our list. Category 2, the high-effort entry point, freelancing apps. Now we move up to platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer.com. This is where things start to get serious, and where real skills come into play. Let's break down Fiverr as an example. You create a free account, build out a professional profile, and list a high-value digital skill like graphic design, video editing, copywriting, or programming. Then you create a specific service listing, like offering to design high-converting YouTube thumbnails. In theory, a client from London or New York finds your profile, places an order, you deliver the project, and you get paid in valuable foreign currency. But here is the real-world catch. Most beginners quit in the first month, not because the platform is a scam, but because the competition is brutal and global. You are not just competing with people in your local neighborhood. You are competing with highly experienced freelancers worldwide who already have hundreds of 5-star reviews. Some people give up after a few weeks of getting 0 orders. Others persist, actively pitch their services, and optimize their profiles for months before landing that crucial first client. But once the momentum shifts and the algorithm starts favoring your profile, this becomes one of the most stable, legitimate ways to earn foreign income online. It ranks higher because it builds a real business asset, even if it requires massive upfront effort. Category 3, the risk zone, crypto and trading apps. Next, we enter one of the most talked about, high-intensity categories in Africa right now. Financial trading apps like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, and MetaTrader. This is where the numbers get incredibly interesting. Take an app like Binance. You set up your account, complete your identity verification, deposit your local currency, and begin buying, selling, or peer-to-peer trading digital assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Some users take it a step further with advanced futures trading or copy trading features. And let's be completely transparent. People on the continent are making serious, life-changing money here. But let's pause for a second and look at the danger. This is where thousands of beginners completely misunderstand the game. Crypto is not a steady online job or a regular monthly income tool. It is an incredibly volatile market. Prices fluctuate wildly within seconds. One single emotional decision, or one bad trade without a stop loss, can completely wipe out your entire life savings in the blink of an eye. In 2026, the individuals making consistent money on these apps are not relying on luck or hype. They treat it like a high-stakes profession. They study technical analysis, practice strict risk management, and accept losses as a normal cost of doing business. If you enter this space without a proven strategy and deep discipline, you are not investing, you are gambling. That is why this category is undeniably powerful, but exceptionally dangerous for the untrained beginner. Category 4. The Wealth Building System, Content Creation Apps. Now we have reached the absolute highest-ranked category on our list. The content creation ecosystems, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram Reels, and Facebook creator tools. This is where the most significant financial shift is happening across Africa right now. Let's look at YouTube as the ultimate example. You launch a channel, and you begin uploading high-quality, valuable videos consistently. At first, absolutely nothing happens. You get 0 views, 0 subscribers, and 0 income. It feels completely pointless, and you will feel like quitting. But then, the algorithm picks up on your consistency. One video starts getting recommended, then another. Slowly but surely, a global audience begins to form around your content. Once you clear the monetization thresholds, you unlock multiple revenue streams: ad revenue split, direct brand sponsorships, and digital affiliate marketing. Now here is the massive structural difference between content creation and every other app category we have mentioned. Content creation does not place a ceiling on your income. A video you record once can continue to attract thousands of global views and generate income for you years into the future. You are building digital real estate. But there is a major catch that keeps most people out. It requires a massive amount of delayed gratification. You have to be willing to work for months with 0 financial reward while you master the skill of storytelling and video editing. Most people simply do not have the patience and quit right before the breakthrough. This is why it ranks comfortably at the top. It is slow to start, but its scalability is unmatched by any other app on your phone. Final verdict. After breaking down the entire digital landscape, here is the ultimate truth. Most money-making apps are simply not designed to make you wealthy. Some are designed to give you tiny rewards in exchange for your valuable time. Some allow you to trade your skills for professional income. Some involve massive financial risk. And one specific category allows you to build a long-term media asset. But absolutely none of them work by magic. Because the fundamental rules of money have never changed. The application on your smartphone does not magically generate wealth. The skill, consistency, and discipline of the person using it is what creates the money. So here is the final question I want to leave you with today. Are you choosing to spend your days on apps that give you cheap, quick rewards right now? Or are you investing your time into building a digital system that can change your entire financial future over the next few years? Drop your honest experiences with these apps in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for transparent finance content. And I will see you in the very next video. This is Money Growth News. Stay informed, stay ahead.